Are you trying to export database through phpMyAdmin, and it fails due to network error, but you don't have any network issues? On Google search, you will find the issue lies within phpMyAdmin and it will recommend you to downgrade or reinstall with an older version of PHP. In this video, we will learn the trick to solving the network error without downgrading to an older version of PHP, so let's begin. Go to phpMyAdmin.net/downloads, then download the latest version of phpMyAdmin. If you are a Windows user, then choose a file having a zip extension. Extract the zip file and rename the folder name to phpMyAdmin. Open the location where Xampp or Wamp is installed. Then make a backup of the original phpMyAdmin folder. It will be useful if something goes wrong. Then override the phpMyAdmin folder with the extracted folder. Now go to Xampp or Wamp's control panel and restart the MySQL module. Now try exporting the database again, and this time you will succeed. If this solution solves your problem, kindly like the video and share your feedback in the comment section. Also, do share this video with those facing the same problem. Thanks for watching.